This small fruit packs a big punch when it comes to vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the top health benefits of kiwi. From supporting heart health to promoting healthy digestion, you'll be amazed at what this little fruit can do for your body. Kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. One medium-sized kiwi contains around 70% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to increase the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting infections and diseases. Kiwis are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. The fiber in kiwis also helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, making it a great snack for weight management. Kiwis contain a range of antioxidants, including vitamin C and vitamin E, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic disease. These antioxidants also help to neutralize free radicals that can cause cell damage and lead to chronic inflammation. Kiwis are low in calories but high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber in kiwis helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, which can help to reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. Kiwis contain potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber in kiwis also helps to reduce cholesterol levels, which can further reduce the risk of heart disease. Kiwis contain a range of phytochemicals, including carotenoids and polyphenols, which can help to improve respiratory health and reduce the risk of asthma. Studies have shown that consuming kiwis may help to reduce symptoms of wheezing and improve lung function in individuals with asthma. The vitamin C in kiwis is also important for the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin. Kiwis also contain vitamin E, which can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants in kiwis may also help to reduce the signs of aging and improve overall skin health. Kiwis are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health and can help to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants also help to protect the eyes from damage caused by UV radiation. Kiwis contain a range of minerals that are important for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals help to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The antioxidants in kiwis may also help to reduce the risk of cancer by protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that consuming kiwis may help to reduce the risk of colon, breast, and lung cancer. That is all. Catch you on the next one.